Hi everyone, I'm Paul and I tell you everything you need to know about the artisanplus planning and inventory solution for coffee roasters. So this is the last part of the mini-series on the roast planning functionality. We start in the Scheduler tab of artisanplus. As you know, we can see a lot of information about each item, but in the default view here, it is difficult to get an overview. We already know that we can zoom out to get a monthly view, but we can go one step further and get a view over the whole year. The colors visualize the total amount roasted for the individual days. Hovering over each day shows the amount roasted on that particular day. Now, if you have several users, you can filter to show only the data of one or more specific users. The same holds for machines. Of course, we can directly jump to a particular month where the user and machine filters apply in exactly the same way. And even when going to a specific day, these filters can be used. Okay, one more thing. In the stores overview, we see that we currently have 158 kilogram of the cherry Robusta beans in stock. This is exactly the same information we get in the scheduler if we choose those beans and that storage location. Now, if we plan a couple of batches of the cherry, say one today and tomorrow 2 batches, this sums up to 48 kilogram. The current stock still displays 158 kilogram, since this is what is currently stocked. Sometimes it's more interesting to see what will be left after all the planned batches have been roasted. We can flip this switch here, and the amounts displayed change to 158 minus the 48, which gives 110 kilogram. Note that, of course, the actual amount in the store's view doesn't change, since this always shows the amount available to you at the current moment. Great! So stay tuned and look forward to the next videos, where I will talk about a lot of the other great features of artisanplus.